I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Capsule CRM. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API URL, go to Capsule CRM dashboard. Click Profile Name on the top right corner. Now click Account and Plan. Now, navigate the account setting and copy the site address. Paste it here. To get API key, click on Capsule CRM API token. Click on Generate First API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Enable all scope of this token, click Generate Token. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the action. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to Capsule CRM dashboard and click People and Organization. Here is the data that came into Capsule CRM through the integration. Thanks for watching.